sideways in the car, and now he's back after it, trying to qualify. Let's go.
I want this shade.
Hinchcliffe warming up right now.
I just want this shade forever.
Speed to beat. Alonso, 227.224. The 4-lap average to get it. That was Tyler Arian locked in before tomorrow's big shootout.
And a big cloud overhead, which may be very good for James Hinchcliffe on this run here.
That would be a welcome sight. Boy, it has. Hinchcliffe down turn number 1. So we're waiting.
Yeah.
Here we go. Hinchcliffe warming up over in turn number 2. Live look along pit lane as Sage Karam is in the car waiting for his opportunity with 16 minutes remaining.
Getting down to it as the Hinchcliffe car is over in turn number 4 right now off the short chute, and he's looking for green.
He is going to take the green right now. Here we go. James Hinchcliffe.
Can Alonso hold it on? Can Alonso hold on, or can Hinchcliffe get his way in the field, or does he have to go and battle it out with
Needs 227.224 to get into the top 30. Hinchcliffe now on the backstretch, halfway around on this one. Now setting up for turn number 3. Car right down on the white line, nice line off the short chute wall by 2 or 3 feet, and in turn 4
Here we
now.
go. Come on, Hinch. You got
He's got
this.
the hammer down. Here is James Hinchcliffe, lap number 1. 27.363. Yes, he is.
What position?
He's currently 27th on the outside of row 9. He's got 3 cars behind him.
That's
at
not good
the
enough.
moment, but that's just 1 lap, Bob. Here we go.
But if he just loses 1/10 every lap he's in,
before you can relax,
you can't lose a lot.
You got to stay up there in that area you're in. Don't drop off very much, or you're going to be out again. We'll see how he goes on lap 2.
Here is the 5-mile mark for James Hinchcliffe on the 10-mile run. Is he still fast enough? 0-2-0, no!
Knew it. Alonso's back in.
He just fell out of the top 30. Not fast enough.
Alonso's back in now.
If only these guys could put 4 good laps together, consistent laps, we would see a much different field than we see right now, but it just isn't happening. As Hinchcliffe was 27th best after lap number 1 and now is out of the top 30.
Well, let's see if he continues on here. White flag waving, maybe he can pick up the pace. Here's Hinchcliffe. Falling off here, not fast enough. With 13 minutes remaining to be in the guaranteed 30.
Ooh-wee.
Not fast enough going to the backstretch.
Yeah, he'll have to come back tomorrow, and well, we've got 13 and a half minutes to go. Yeah, so let's not count them out yet. But boy, every turn of the wheel, I would guess, is frustration for James Hinchcliffe after that incident earlier today. 4th lap completed for Hinchcliffe, and the speed